Hey guys, Rod here again. In today's video, what I'd like to do is talk about storage of your fish food and appropriately storing your fish food so you don't get water in there. We get a lot of water up here and water goes in and causes fungus. So I'll show you what's happened to my fish food and how you can avoid it. Just looking at my fish food, it is pretty fungusy. Just opening the lid there, you can see it's horrible. Now I'm getting covered in fungus as well. I'm not sure if you can see the smoke there, but I'm breathing it in. It's pretty horrific. If you get anything like that, you just got to get rid of it. There's nothing you can really do about it. Just get rid of it. It's the safest thing to do. No skin off your nose, just to get rid of a little bit of fish food. I know it's a litres worth of, well in this case half a litre of fish food, but still, you just don't want your fish to get any sicker. If it's just on one corner, you can scoop it out with a small cup or something like that, but when it gets pretty rancid like this, game over. Just get rid of it. Safest thing to do. And looking at my other supply of fish food in here, looking in my drum, it's the same story. I've got a little tiny bit in the bottom there. Now I'm going to try and save this because this is half a blue drum full, which is probably a quarter of a bag. And if you have a look down here, yeah, beautiful stuff. Look, I can save this one and I'm going to try. So I'll see how I go, but I'll just separate it out with a little small cup. Okay, so I've used that container, not working yet, and it just made it a bit worse. So it's actually, as I grab it, I can feel it's a big ball. So you can actually see there's a big lump. So it's right at the bottom. So there must be some water they got right in the middle. Now I think I can save that. So what I'll do is I'll just by hand, I'll just get as much as I can out of there. You know, you don't let this happen to you with water in the lid. And you can see there's a crack in the lid there. It's actually a cover, but it's a vent as well, and that's where I store all my fish food. Always good to check after rain how things are going, and with the fish food here, it's a big problem. So my fish food is in the drum, it's in a barrel, but as you can see there's water on that lid there. It's a never-ending saga how to keep your fish food dry. So first thing is, there's a seal there, but the seal is compromised because of all the water. So realistically, I'm just going to tip that water off and have another look inside, because it's a constant problem. Inside there's a couple of little drops in there, but if I was to dig down deeper, I might find, yeah, if I dig down deeper I can see that there is some fungus. So what I'm going to have to do is slowly get all the good stuff off the top and then dig the fungus out, because it will permeate through all the rest of the fish food and it's going to wreck all my food, which I don't want. So it's going to take a little bit of time, probably going to take me an hour or two. Not something I really want to do, but I think it's necessary, otherwise I'll have to just buy another bag, which you're looking at 80 to 100 bucks a bag, so not really a good option. It's better to save what you can. Save myself 30-40 bucks.